Today we will study about structure of atom. How a structure of atom was developed. Dalton in 1808 proposed that matter was made up of extremely small individual particle called atom. Atom word is derived from atomio, means individual, uncuttable. According to Dalton's atomic theory, atom is individual or uncuttable. Atom is the smallest particle of matter, and no other particle is smallest than atom. Three fundamental particles, electrons, protons, and neutrons, are present in an atom, and these are called fundamental particles because these particles are present in all the atoms. Now, how these electrons, protons, and neutrons was discovered, we study one by one how these are discovered, and then after we study about the different atomic theories. First, we study about the discovery of electrons. William Crookes in 1879 studied the conduction of electricity through gases at low pressure and very high voltage. He used cathode ray discharge tube. A cathode ray discharge tube is a 60 centimeter long glass tube in which there are two electrodes. Cathode and anode are present fitted. Cathode rays are negatively charged and anode rays are positively charged. When in one side there is a vacuum pump to adjust the amount of gases inside the tube. When very high voltage 10,000 volt and very low pressure is applied, then rays flow from cathode to anode, and these rays were called cathode rays. Here figure of cathode ray discharge tube is given. Generally gases are non-conductor of electricity. When very high voltage and is applied at a very low pressure, then gases conduct electricity. And behind the anode rays, the screen is coated with zinc sulfide. Zinc sulfide is fluorescent substance. When any charged particle strike through the fluorescent substance, then it produces light, and in this way we can identify the cathode rays, because cathode rays are invisible. Now, what are the properties of cathode rays? Cathode rays travel in a straight line. These are made up of particles. Cathode rays carry negatively charged particles. Cathode rays produce heating effect. They ionize the gases. Cathode rays produce X-rays when strike with metals like tungsten or molybdenum. Cathode rays produce green fluorescence when strike with screen zinc sulfide coated. They affect photographic plate. Cathode rays possess penetrating effect. That means it can penetrate the object, it can move beside the object. Negatively charged materials particles present in cathode rays are called electrons. J.J. Thomson discovered electrons. Charge by mass ratio of electrons are calculated by J.J. Thomson in 1897, and it was found 1.76 into 10 to the power 8 coulomb per gram. This is constant for different gases. That means in case of electrons, the charge by mass ratio is always constant. It comes to 1.76 into 10 to the power 8 coulomb per gram. Charge on an electron was calculated by R.A. Millikan in 1917 with the help of his oil drop experiment, and it was found that each electron contains 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19, and this charge is negative. Electron is negatively charged, so charge is equal to minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, or 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU. Mass of electron. Mass of electron was calculated by the ratio of charge and charge by mass. Charge is 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19, and charge by mass ratio of electron is 1.76 into 10 to the power 8. When this is calculated, it was found that 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram, or 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. That means the mass of one electron is 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 28, or 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Mass of an electron is nearly equal to 1 by 1837 of a hydrogen atom. Now, definition of electron. An electron is the fundamental particle of which carries 1 unit negative charge and has a mass nearly equal to 1 by 1837 of that of hydrogen atom. Origin of cathode rays. Cathode rays first produced by the material of the cathode, and then from the gas inside the discharge tube. So each electron having the charge minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and mass is 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram, or 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. The absolute the charge of electron can be also represented as minus 1 unit negative charge. So we can say that electrons are negatively charged particle which carry minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and mass is equal to 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram, or 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. After the discovery of electron, it was felt that some other particles present in an atom which is positively charged, because an electron was found electrically neutral. Then the discovery of proton was started. Discovery of proton. Goldstein in 1886 performed discharge tube experiment in which he took perforated cathode and a gas at low pressure was kept inside the tube. Applying high voltage 10,000 volt, it was found that some rays were coming from the side of the anode, which passed through the holes in the cathode and produced green fluorescence on the opposite glass wall coated with zinc sulfide. These rays were called anode rays or canal rays because they passed through the canal or hole in the cathode. Anode rays are also called positive rays because they carry positive charged particles. When electric field is applied, these anode rays move towards the negatively charged plate. This confirms that anode rays are made up of positively charged particles. Now, what is the origin of anode rays? It is not emitted from the anode but are produced in the space between the anode and the cathode. It is produced by gases present in cathode ray discharge tube.